Make sure your iOS device is updated to the latest iOS 18 version. Then touch and hold the home screen background until the icons begin to jiggle. Now tap the Edit button in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Customize. Another menu will appear at the bottom of your screen. Tap the option labeled Large. This will enlarge your app icons, and the labels beneath them will be hidden, giving your home screen a cleaner, more streamlined look. If you prefer the original look, tap Small to revert the icons to their normal size, and the labels will reappear. Now tap the sun icon in the top left corner of the menu. This will darken your wallpaper without affecting the size or appearance of your app icons. Next, tap the icon labeled Dark, located at the bottom of your screen. It will display your icons and widgets with a dark appearance. Tap the sun icon to toggle between light and dark wallpapers. This will help you decide which background best complements your dark icons. If you choose Automatic, your icons and widgets will automatically switch to a dark appearance at night, and a light appearance during the day. Now tap the last icon in the menu labeled Tinted. This will display a gradient scale at the bottom of the menu. Use the sliders to adjust the color and saturation, until you find the perfect hue for your icons. Additionally, you can use the eyedropper tool to select a color directly from your wallpaper to match the icons. Again, tap the sun icon to toggle between light and dark wallpapers. When you're finished, tap anywhere on the screen to apply your changes. So in this way, you can customize app icons on iOS 18.